coverage, press 2. Or transferring your call to a customer experience representative.
Hi, I'm calling because about a month ago I submitted a request that I basically needed to schedule an extra pickup. And then yesterday I was on the phone with someone that said they would give me a call back. I guess they were trying to reach a local branch to schedule the pickup. I asked if it was possible to do the pickup tomorrow just because it's been so long and the bins are full, and I have a bunch of employees that have been going into the office to clean up their office spaces because we're working from home now and they're just throwing out a bunch of paper. So the bins are full. I'm just wondering if you have any idea if the pickup can be done tomorrow, or any idea on the status of that?
Yep, I can get you over to scheduling and dispatch, and they'll be able to go over all that for you.
Okay, perfect. The call just disconnected.
Thank you for calling Shred-it. To continue in English, please stay on the line. Pour continuer en français, appuyez sur le 1.
Did they get my order right? First things first, vegetable oil. Yes, that's what I ordered. Vinegar. I make a lot of salads because lately my husband has been wanting to eat super healthy, so salad with every single meal. We've cut down on rice and potatoes. We still eat it. It's not like we're not eating it, but we'll do meat and veggies. So a huge salad and meat. So I make a lot of vinaigrettes, so I need oil and vinegar, butter, sugar for tea. I got this little brush because tonight I'm making chicken in the oven, and then after I'm going to paint on some barbecue sauce. Tomatoes. I'm going to make a pasta salad tonight, so I need tomatoes, penne noodles. I have clamato olives and peppers that I'm also going to put in it. Did you hear? Yep. Peppers. And I'll add some feta cheese in there as well. What? That is so random. Chicken? He got the wrong chicken though. See, that's the thing with ordering sometimes. I ordered the full leg, the chicken leg. He gave me chicken thighs. Anyway, whatever. I'll make it work. For my pasta salad, I need red wine vinegar. Some olives. And we've been eating a lot more fruit, so I got some strawberries and some bananas for this week. We rotate between strawberries, bananas, grapes, and apples. And then I did not order bacon. 2 packs of bacon. What? What did I order? Was there something else I ordered? Let me check my phone to see. Oh yeah, phew, thankfully he got this, the Peri Peri Nando's medium sauce. I'm gonna use some of this on my chicken tonight, and I'll probably show you guys how I'm doing the chicken, even though I've never done this recipe with the chicken thighs, but I'm sure it's gonna be quite similar.
Not too much, but just like enough to not to cover every chicken, but just drizzle it on top. Boom. Next, some paprika. And pepper. Some garlic and herb spices. And I'm leaving the skin on because I want it to get nice and crispy, and these flavors should make the skin taste pretty good. looks like. Caribbean spice and roasted garlic. Boom. Wow, this is smelling good. I kind of fixed my camera so you can see as I mix all the seasonings in. I should use gloves so then my fingers don't smell like food after. But look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this. Look at all that flavor, right? Mmm. And it smells delish. And this took, what, all of 5 minutes to season? And there's so much flavor packed in here, it better come out tasting good. So now I'm just mixing it all in, making sure it's nice. Making sure it's nicely distributed. Is this gross? Well, my husband and I are the only ones eating it. Okay, so it all good. I've never gotten sick from food that I've made, so I ain't tripping. On 400 for 20 minutes on one side, 20 minutes on the other side. I put it on the middle rack, and then after about 45 minutes when it's all cooked through, I'm gonna move the chicken to the top rack. I'm gonna put it on broil for about 5 minutes, get it super crispy because there's skin on the thighs. So boom, get them super, super crispy. Hope it turns out well. Let's see. So I had it in for 20 minutes on one side. I took it out, flipped it. I did 20 minutes on the other side. Ooh, looking good. Now I'm gonna flip it again and get the other side with the skin on it nice and crispy. Let's see how this turns out. And then I'm gonna paint it lightly with barbecue sauce, lightly. All right, so I dumped out some of the liquid that was in there and I brushed them all with this barbecue sauce, Kraft original barbecue sauce. And I'm gonna try a little bite. I hope they're not too salty. I hope they have flavor. I hope they are cooked through. I hope a lot of things. So let's see what these chicken thighs look like. Taste like. Let's see what they taste like. They were so good, and I do not even normally like chicken thighs. It's my husband that likes chicken thighs. I'm telling you, they're good. They turned out amazing. I don't have a recipe. I don't have a measurements. You saw how I do it. I don't use measuring spoons, but use those seasonings. Oh, and you have to cook it in the oven and get the skin nice and crispy and then brush it with that barbecue sauce. I'm telling you, it was good. It was good. Anyway, so I'm about to go out with my friends. So just got this basic jean jacket type outfit. I live in an apartment. The kid is crying. Anyway.